May driver daw na bago yung ate ko guys, pogi daw. Silipin ko muna, wait. Saan dito? Kasi yung ate ko, hindi talaga yan siya nagpa-drive, pero gusto niya magpa-drive na. Ngayon, sabi ko, sino nag-drive sa'yo? Sabi niya, may gihire daw siya na driver, tas pogi daw. Silipin natin. Sino yung driver niya? Ikaw nag-drive kay Sheena? Ay, nako. Wala tayo kay Stella. Ano sa imong class? Alam siya, silipon daw na ako ang driver, pogi. Ikaw di ay. Pamangkin ko pala guys, ang nag-drive. Loko talaga to si Sheena. Ayan, hinilig pa naman ako. Akala ko magkaka-forever na yung ate ko. Ano ba, Yorns? Pamangkin pala namin, anak ng aming first cousin. Wala dyan kay Claro ba? Wala dyan kay Claro. Wow, Moning is back from school, guys. And look what she has in her hands. She got stars. And what else do you have? Show me your work. Moning is going to start school soon with Chico Chico. Let me see letter. What letter is that? I. Mama, look, Mama. Letter I.
I is for?
Igloo.
What else? I is for?
Igloo.
Sana all.
Ice cream. Turn on daw sila sa Tagalog namin, guys. Ayan. Meron kami mga ano dito. Ay, alam mo ko na eh. Pabaraw ng work ni Moning. Ayan. Si Moning kasi, guys, is 3 years old. And mag-aaral na si Moning kasama ni Chico. Isang classroom lang sila. So, bago siya mag-start sa kanyang main school, meron siyang tutorial center. So, eto ngayon, meron siyang letter I. Letter I is for internet. Ning, show me. Ning, internet? Where's letter I? What's that? What's that one? Ladybug. It's insect.
Ladybug? Let me see the ladybug.
Insect.
Insect.
Wow. I bet turn around. Show me your dress. 1, 2, 3. Wow. And shoes? Unicorn shoes?
Show the unicorn.
That shoes can fit
Show your shoes.
Mayumi already.
Wow.
Show me that shoes. Ka-cute. Hello guys. Ayan, medyo madilim ngayon dito. Wait, pailaw natin. Saan ba yung switch dito sa bahay ni Madam Ten Gibbs? Nay, asa ganing switch diri, Nay? Ang switch sa suga. Sa tabi ng TV. Ang daming TV eh. Ang daming TV. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung switch dito sa bahay ni Madam eh. Sabi daw yung switch ng ilaw sa tabi ng TV. Sabi ko, aling TV? Ang daming TV dito. Ayun, ayan naman. Maliwanag na guys. So, dito kasi ako sa bahay ni Madam Ten Gibbs. Iniwan niya muna ako saglit dahil bumili sila ng ulam. Makichikang tayo dito sa mga gamit ni Madam Ten Gibbs. Kung ano makikita natin dito. Be. Ayan po si Madam Ten Gibbs at ang kanyang mahal na asawa. Kanyang brother-in-law. And ang kanilang nag-iisang lalaki na si Kuya Jericho. Then dito sa gilid guys. Ayan. For the gold talaga si Madam ninyo. Bumili ng isang set ng kanyang mga barbells, tama ba? At saka kettlebell. Kasi alam nyo na bagong buhay si Madam. Meron kasi siyang ginagol. Ano pa itong mga bago dito? Medyo matagal kasi ako hindi nakapasyal dito sa bahay ni Madam. Dahil ginugol ko matulog ng maaga. Kaya hindi na ako masyadong pumapasyal. And kapag weekends naman, either pumupunta ako sa bukid ng aming eldest sister or nag-out of town yung mga magkakapatid. Ayan, inaaya nila tayo guys kasi napansin nila na lagi na lang daw ako nag-iisip ng responsibilities. So, I am glad that I have them. Drama na naman tayo. Dahan-dahan lang guys. So, dito meron din, ayan, isang balding tuna. Hindi ko alam. Hindi po ito sponsor ha, pero hindi ko natatakpan. Hindi ko alam bakit meron siyang isang balding tuna dito. Dagdag din to sa kanyang diet. Yung mga nasa likod, hindi ko alam kung dagdag din ba yan sa diet niya. Madam Ten Gibbs, pakisagot na lang. Alam mo na yan. And then, meron siya ditong roasted pumpkin seeds. Ang sarap ng mga snacks ni Madam Ten Gibbs Ayan naman sa baba guys, collection ng kanilang ng kanyang asawa. Yung mga bote daw kasi magaganda, o 'di ba? Kahit na wala nang laman, ayan o 'di ba? Kita niyo naman. Ito, feeling ko expired na yan siya. Tingnan natin. 2024 November 3. Hindi pa. Kaya pa to sa birthday ko, guys. Birthday ko sa November 15, pwede pa 'yan. Ano pa ba yung nandito? Daming mga bago dito kay Madam Ten Gibbs Wala tayong makita. Pero alam niyo anong gagawin ko. Kasi bored ako ngayon at iniwan niya ako. Mag-ano tayo? Fridge raid. Ayun. Fridge raid. So, dito sa gilid na yan, meron napakalaking fridge si Madam Ten Gibbs. Hindi po to siya pang pamilya, pang sports pa. Kita nyo naman ang laki-laki, guys. Tingnan natin kung anong laman. Galing pa lang sa labas. Kita nyo na, guys, kung anong mga kalamanan ng kanyang ref. Ngayon na ako nakakita ng ref sa bahay na pang pang convenience store. Hindi niya to alam. Sabi ko sa kanya, sige, mapaiwan lang ako. Sabi niya, bibili lang daw siya ng ulam. So, dito sa gilid, meron siyang mga places, magnet na mga places na kanyang napuntahan. Isa-isahin natin. Alright. Una, Scotland. Ay, hindi siya nakaabot ng Scotland. Galing sa akin yan. Then, meron po siya ditong Korea. Nakapunta na siya ng Korea. Then, Dubai. Doon sila galing last year. Then, nakapunta na rin sila ng Burj Khalifa. Dubai yan. Nakapunta na rin sila ng Hong Kong at saka Singapore. Pero wala siyang mga magnet. Tingnan natin yung may bill din siya dito Ayan. Mababa lang yung bill ni Madam. 12,000 lang. Madam, bakit mas malaki pa yung bill ko kaysa sa bill mo? Anong nangyari? So, tingnan natin dito. Hi, Ning! Mag-fridge raid. Tingnan natin anong laman ng ref ni Madam. Wala kasi akong guys. Wala akong tawag nito. Stand. Iniwan ko sa bahay. First up, meron po siya ditong kalabasa. Ano ang laman ng ref ng isang Madam Ten Gibbs? Chichirya na nabuksan na pero hindi pa nakain. Meron po siyang kalahating kilo ng toge. Ano pa ba? Meron siyang mansanas dito. Ito, bagong diet ni Madam. Sana all naka-Greek style. Hindi daw uso ngayon yung 69 style. Greek style na daw. Then, meron din siya ditong mga caldo de verduras. Professional, 1 litro. Ano to? Juice ba to? Hindi ko to alam. Vegetable, sabaw para sa mga gulay. Iba social. Sa amin, pinapakuluan lang namin yung mga dahon-dahon. Okay na. Meron din siyang coconut jam. Ayan, kaya pala binigyan niya ako ng palaman kanina. Margarine lang, may coconut jam siya. Hindi niya ako binigyan. Meron din siya ditong 3 piraso talong. 3 piraso lang yung talong niya. May mansanas. Ayan. May mansanas, merong papaya. Then sa gulay, merong pipino sa salad. Ang palaya kasi kontra diabetes yan. Then merong mga petchay dito. Merong takway. Merong konting patatas at konting atchal. Dito naman tayo sa left side. Sa taas, merong mga pampakalma. Again, hindi po ito sponsor. Nag-grade lang tayo ng kanyang fridge. Kasi one way to know a person is to look at the inside of their refrigerator. Ayan. So, dito meron din siyang maraming yogurt. Ayan si Madam Ten Gibbs dumating na, guys. Marami siyang yogurt. Malapit na tayong matapos. Bilisan natin. Then, dito naman mga salad sauce. May mga all-purpose dressing. Paborito niya atsara. Then, merong Italian dressing para sa salad niya. And then, last but not the least is mga gamot ng mga bata and mga frozen goods. Then, water is life. Close. Ayun, guys. Miami! Anak mo. Miami. Sit down on the table first. We will have dinner soon. So, can you please not eat much? Because Auntie made a very nice beef soup. You can have later. Atatata. Atatata. You know, Mama. Achiko, enough now because you have food. You have dinner. Hiya. Hachi. Hachabu. Hachabu. Hachi. Hachabu. Habiga! 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 Mayumi. I love you, Mayumi. I love you, Mayumi. Hatika. 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 Happy? 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 Happy. Oh, tsaka. Mahaba daw pala ang legs ni Mayumi. Mahaba man talaga, sabi daw ng doktor. No, 7 months si Mayumi. Yes, Chico. This one?
Yes, that one.
I said you have to wait. Auntie made very nice soup. Enough with the food. Chico, you cannot just eat everything when it's about to have dinner. You remember? You had what? Stomach what? Stomach ache. And you were on the floor there, lying down. I have stomach ache, Mom, because I ate donuts. No, you want to eat a lot.
Mom, look at stomach cake.
Yuck. And then my back? Not stomach ache. It's a skeleton. I don't carry big boys, Chico.
Skeleton. I'm done your back.
Skeleton, yeah? Do you like the skeleton or it's scary for you?
Yes. Mom can put on your side, then I be like skeleton.
This t-shirt is big. It's for Mom. You're still a young boy. Maybe I'll look for you a skeleton t-shirt also. But Auntie told me you're scared of skeleton. She showed you a skeleton on her phone, and it was scary for you. Do you want to see it again?
No.
Okay. So why do you like Mommy's skeleton if you don't? You see, it's scary. It's a skeleton.
I don't want the scary skeleton.
Okay, then I'm not going to show you. Okay, Rubble. Okay, Rocky. Woof, woof. Kalbi, what are you doing? Yeah, she said, Kalbi said this is Ate Buji with a heart. Wow, Ate Buji can have a lot of hearts. Which one?
Skeleton.
The skeleton. It's walking like that.
Yes.
And then?
Like this.
So why were you scared of the skeleton if it's just a picture?
Because the skeleton do the picture like the teeth.
Was it a scary skeleton on Auntie's phone?
No. It's scary.
Okay.
Mom, then Mom, can you draw for me a star?
Star?
Yeah.
Wait, Chico, wait. I will draw a star. Only one?
Yeah. Mom.
Yes, Chico.
I want to watch the Body Box movie when Zuma was finding that guy.
Really?
Yes, I want to watch the Body Box.
But you know, you are going to school soon, so you have to sleep early.
I have to watch the
And?
the Mighty Box movie. Then
Is it Friday?
I saw Zuma scene.
Is it Friday?
No, not Friday.
Yes.
How about this?
It's for Mommy. For you, it's Friday. You have to wait for Friday, okay?
Mom, it's not fair. How come you can do whatever you want?
I don't do whatever I want. I exercise, I listen to music, that's all.
But we don't do what we want. Our toys are lost, our books are lost.
So those toys, you don't need them. The books, you don't need them. The worried bear, you don't need them.
We need a grandfather who loves those books.
Has it come? Not yet. You have to wait. Okay?
It will take forever. No toys is there.
Yeah, Shopee takes forever. If you're not patient, it will not come.
Mom, you have to say Shopee. You have to bring surprises faster.
You
Mom,
have money?
Chico, you don't do that to my book.
You have money to pay for Shopee? Kalbi? Do you have money to pay for Shopee?
Mom, come get the Mom.
Huh?
You have to give me money.
What?
Mom, where's the blue cedar?
You have to work to have money. I don't
Where's the
know.
blue cedar?
Kalbi, you have to work to
Where's
get
the blue
money.
cedar? That's it.
Ay nga na gani siya kahapon kay Jinjin. Murag giaway. More soup, love?
What happened?
Mayumi is crying.
What because
More soup? I don't know. I have to ask her. Can I give you more soup, love? Okay. Is the potatoes enough?
always ask for more soup?
Is the potatoes enough?
Yes.
Is the beef enough? Okay.
Now can you cut the slice?
The what?
Slice.
Which one?
Then Mom, this is the one slice with a pumpkin.
Kulubon na siguro.
Mom, this is for you. And this is for
Okay.
you.
Uy! Go, Chico, we don't throw. Put there on the side.
And I love the blue.
Mm.
It's hot.
Sorry. Get your spoon. Someone's gonna grow some muscles and be ready for the Gruffalo book, I think. Are you gonna be ready for your Gruffalo book?
Mom, I don't want to be a policeman, doctor, anything else. I want to be your child.
You want to be my child?
Mhm.
Only.
Mm.
You don't want to be a policeman or anything. That's okay. But you have to grow.
Yeah, I'm going to grow. I'm going to grow and I'll be your child, okay?
Yeah, but you have to grow and you have to choose which one you want to be.
Mommy.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be nothing.
Just what?
Nothing. I just want to stay with you. I can have fun.
You want to be a child forever?
So I can listen to stories.
Even if you're big, I will still read a book. Kahil, I still read a book for Kahil.
Yeah, even the big books, big boys books is very fun.
That's why don't be scared of growing up because I will still read a book.
Yeah, rocket books that we fell off of the ground, cool for big boys. Then all kinds of nice. Then Kyle had a Gruffalo book. It's nice, but now we know it. Let's show in the Gruffalo book, both of them, so you remember what happened out.
Okay, let's
How
eat.
do you know?
Let's
That's
eat.
it.
I think you will love that book. Thank you for the food, Allah, Amin.
He got. I don't remember. In that door.
Scared of something, yeah?
Every time I
Bakit gutom gang? Don't put your hands like that.
more rice, please. The bottom, please. I like that one.
That's enough now. More soup? I add? Okay, you're good? Ay,
Stomach cake now.
yeah, finish your food, Chico. Oh, good. What's your favorite color?
I like white, red, and black.
Very good. What is your eyes round or square?
Oval.
Oval. Is your fingers big or small? Small.
Small.
What's the color of your eyes?
Black and white.
Black and white. Very
But
good.
if we get on the
And this
TV,
one, this question. Sorry, this question. If you get in TV, what?
red.
If you watch too much TV, it will become red.
Yeah.
And what's your favorite book? What's your favorite storybook?
The Curious Child.
Very good. And Chico, what's your favorite storybook?
La 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 la.
The Gruffalo.
Mom, David's book is not so better. Can teach things bad things. If we buy that book, you see how we learn. But if we read some, you know.
I think David's book is not good, right?
Yeah.
You're not listening, David. David, that's dirty. David, don't pick your nose. David, don't wash your hands.
David stopped chewing gum in class, but he likes it. Yes, David, you can go to school. That's it. Yes, David, you can go back home now. But the other pages are not nice. How come that one's better?
Alright, finish your food. Then you're gonna shower.
But it's fine. You can even buy it, right?
Okay. Alright. Hello, guys. Chika moment muna tayo dito bago mag-sleeping time. Time check natin alas 8:30. Inaantay kong tumawag si Kuya Kahil dahil ganitong oras po siya nagtatawag. So, sa ngayon wala pa naman. Pero pag hindi siya nakatawag ng early, baka pagod siya. So, matutulog na lang yung lola ninyo. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto ko munang magpasalamat, of course. Maraming nag-comment about kay Mayumi. Kaya, gusto kong isingit sa episode na to ang update about kay Mayumi. Sakit yung mga leg ko, guys. Ayan. So anyway, si Mayumi po ay magsi 6 months na yung buwan. Alhamdulillah. And napansin niyo naman po na lumaki talaga siya compared dati. At 5 months, we had to change her ng full formula dahil sa gamot na tinitake ko. And then, marami din nag-comment na nalagas yung book ni Mayumi. I believe it's part of growing up. Pero may nag-advise na magamit ng coconut oil. So maraming salamat dun sa iyong suggestions and hacks. Ayan, maraming salamat sa nag-comment. Ano pa ba? Bilugan ang mukha, ang mata, kamukha sila ni Calby. Ayun, tama nga naman. Kahit yung mga family ko nagsasabi. And then, meron ako napansin doon na comment na mahaba daw yung legs ni Mayumi. Alam niyo ba guys, kwentuhan ko kayo na at 7 months na buntis ako kay Mayumi, ultrasound ako ng 3D. And then that time, sabi ng doktor sa akin, kailangan ko na daw mag-diet. Dahil ang kamay ni Mayumi at ang kanyang mga legs ay mas mahaba ang sukat kaysa sa edad. So, 7 months pregnant ako kay Mayumi. Advance si Mayumi ng 2 centimeters yung haba. So, instead na 26 centimeters, yung haba ng kanyang paa naging parang 28, I believe. Sana tama yung unit na ginamit ko, no? Pero I remember sinabi ng doktor na mag-diet ako dahil malaki yung baby compared sa kanyang standard dapat na sukat ng legs at ng arms. So, kinabahan ako doon kasi nga ayokong lumaki masyado yung baby sa loob ng tiyan dahil mahirapan akong mag-push. So, I really watched my diet when I was 7 months pregnant with Mayumi, 8 months, 9 months. Pero nung lumabas po si Mayumi, nalaman nyo naman na siya ay 2.5 kilograms lamang. So, 2.5 ibig sabihin, tama lang nakapasok lang talaga kami doon sa window na healthy weight ng bata. And talaga lang na mahaba ang kanyang legs, ang kanyang mga paa talaga, parang paa ng manok. At saka yung kanyang arms. Ayan. May nag-comment din na napakatahimik ni Mayumi. Yes, tahimik po na bata si Mayumi. Nag-iingay po siya, pero depende sa kausap niya. Ayan, mapili po si Mayumi. Pero pag nandito kayo sa bahay, or yung mga bisita namin sa bahay, mga kapatid ko, pag pumupunta dito sa bahay, wait lang, check ko lang ha, kung nag-recording. Ayan, yung mga kapatid ko, pag pumupunta dito sa bahay, halos po walang baby na marinig. Kasi nga, si Mayumi ay very easy, alhamdulillah, and inshallah, maging easy pa din siya habang lumalaki siya. Hindi po si Mayumi pala iyak. Medyo nasakit yung likod ko guys, siguro sa tulog, posisyon. Hindi po si Mayumi pala iyak. Umiiyak lang si Mayumi kapag kagutom na seryoso, natagalan sa gatas, and kapag marumi yung diaper. Dalawa lang. Pero yung iyak na walang rason or pinapahirapan kami kung bakit siya umiiyak, hindi kami nagkaroon ng ganun na experience in 6 months na kasama namin si Mayumi. Again, alhamdulillah, Mayumi is very healthy. So far, so good. And updated naman yung kanyang vaccine. Yung kanyang bigat ay pasok din sa normal. Hindi ko na siya dinadala basta-basta. Pero kapag may mga lakad na alam kong baby-friendly, pwedeng sumama si Mayumi. Katulad ng pumupunta kami sa bukid, dinadala ko din si Mayumi para naman makakita at makarinig siya ng world. Ayun. Ano pa ba, mga comment niyo na nakita ko doon na kamukha si Mayumi ng kanyang tatay. Syempre naman guys, alam nga naman maging kamukha ni Mayumi yung kapitbahay. Dapat may kamukha talaga doon sa tatay, wala na tayong magawa dyan. Ang importante po, si Mayumi ay healthy and yeah, she's really giving her name the right, you know, justice. She's giving a justice to her name. Mayumi, very quiet. Sa totoo lang guys, minsan hindi ko talaga ma-expect na may baby pala kasi nga natutulog lang po si Mayumi mag-isa. Alam ni Mayumi yung wake up time niya, alam niya yung sleeping time niya. Pag 7:30 ng gabi, ganitong oras, pagkatapos ng meal, pag nilagay si Mayumi, tulog na po yan. And then magigising lang yan siya pag gutom na, dede ulit, and then tulog ulit. Sana all. Sana all ka na lang talaga. Pero of course, as a single mother of my children, I do pray na gabayan ako ni Lord para ma-provide ko yung mga needs ng mga anak ko by giving me good health. Ayan, yun yung pinaka-importante na prayer ko talaga. Good health, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, and financially healthy, Lord. Ayan. And para naman bigay ko yung mga needs ng mga bata. At the same time, masamahan ko din sila while they're growing up. I can watch them. I do pray also for the health of my children. Number 1 yan. Okay lang yung iba guys, mahanapan ng paraan. Pero yung health talaga, pinaka-importante, Lord. Alam mo yan, health is number 1 thing for me. For myself and for my loved ones, for the family and the people who cares for us, who loves us and my children. Sa inyo, sa lahat ng nanonood sa inyo, maraming salamat po once again. Ayan. Ano pa ba yung nakalimutan ko na gusto kong sabihin sa inyo? I think yun lang guys. Sana po ay natuwa kayo sa pagsama sa amin simula sa kauna-unahan na storya ng aming buhay hanggang ngayon. Sa mga kakapanood lang ng aming video, sana po ay nakafollow kayo kahit konti. Hindi kayo biglang na-shook na ganito na pala yung pinapanood ninyo. It has been a very long journey for us. It was, I had a very deep story and you guys knew that kasi alam niyo naman naging parte kayo ng aking buhay. But once again, I don't regret anything. Yeah, I don't regret anything. I just hope na yun nga, makita ko pa yung mga bata na mapanood ko silang lumaki. Ayan. And for Kuya Kyle naman guys, Kuya Kyle is busy training as you guys all know for his soccer. He's also studying in Thailand with his dad. He calls me from time to time kung hindi nakakaya na every night talaga kasi pagod yung bata and I don't mind kasi kailangan niya magpahinga. We talk on video Skype and he's very happy. Especially when he talks to his brothers. Ayan. Miss niya na yung mga kapatid niya. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, it's okay. Magkikita naman kami ngayong Pasko. For now, we really had to focus more on his training and his studies kasi this is Kahil. It's Kahil's future, you know. So, kaya nga lagi kong pinapaalalahanan si Kuya Kahil to make himself proud. Not even me. Not even his dad. You know, we are secondary. But to make himself proud and make sure that he gets happy moments at least every day. Ayan, kahit konti lang. So far, so good naman. Yeah, we are trying to co-parent ng tatay ni Kuya Kahil. The rest is, I don't know. God knows. Ayan. Once again, maraming salamat. Yun lang yung itichika ko, guys. Kasi minsan gusto kong sagutin isa-isa yung mga comment, pero hindi ko kakayanin kasi sobrang daming comment. Ayan. Yun lang. Maraming salamat once again. And of course, sana ay nakapag-like na kayo, nakapag-subscribe na kayo sa kwento-kwento na aking buhay as single nanay ng aking 4 na kulot, half African, half Filipino kids. Again, I'll see you guys on the next episode. Much love from Princess Higa.